Hey there, you gearheads! Welcome back to our channel where we talk all things tools and sometimes even race cars. Today I have an exciting video for you as I take you on a tour of Andretti Motorsports. As you all know, Andretti Motorsports is a legendary name in the world of racing. They have been around for decades and have won numerous championships in different categories of racing. So getting a chance to visit their facility was an absolute dream come true. Firstly, let me tell you that the facility is massive. It's spread across acres of land, and as soon as you step in, you're greeted with a wall of fame that displays all their achievements of the Andretti family. I was filled with excitement and nervousness as I walked through the doors of the facility. This video is going to include lots of pictures because I was not allowed to film or take video of any kind. The tour began with a visit to their fabrication department. Here I witnessed a team of highly skilled technicians and fabricators and engineers working on different parts and components of their racing cars. From cutting edge welding, shaping, forming, the team was hard at work ensuring that every detail was perfect, using some of the most state-of-the-art equipment you haven't probably ever seen before. Next up, we headed to their engine room, where I saw some of the most powerful engines being built from scratch. And these things are small. They look like they fit on a lawnmower. You would think that a racing engine is massive. These things were not big at all. And it was evident that each engine was carefully crafted with precision and care. But the highlight of the tour was undoubtedly the race shop. Here, I saw some of the most advanced racing cars being prepared for their upcoming races. The team was working on different aspects of the car, from the suspension and brakes to the aerodynamics and bodywork. As we continued through the tour, I had a chance to meet some of the mechanics and engineers that worked on the cars. You won't believe what tools and toolboxes they have. Here they go, let me show them to you. And look what they're using. They gave me tours of their toolboxes, and I was extremely excited to see regular old USA Craftsman, Snapon, even some smaller, not so well known brands. Overall, my experience at Andretti Motorsports was nothing short of amazing. The passion and dedication that the team puts out into their work was truly inspiring. I left feeling more motivated than ever to pursue more of my DIY mechanic skills. That's it for this video, folks. If you enjoyed this tour of Andretti Motorsports, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more exciting content just like this. As always, this is Ed the Old Tech Guy telling you I love you, and I'm signing off.